Hi, Bill. This is what I'm looking at right here. I'm sorry for the dim light. I'm trying to show you it's best. I'll zoom out here. This is the bottom of the Viper. And as we move in, I'm not sure what of these cables what I need to unhook and where I need to put them. When I turn it on, that's where it's plugged in right now. So I'll show you what happens when I turn it on. Power is on. I know it shouldn't be sitting on its side, but I had it on its side because I took it apart to take the bottom off. But as you can see, it just moved a second. And there's a red light in here that flashes. There it goes, stepper motor. And what I'm trying to do is get that block off, but the problem now is no response. Nothing at all.